We humans, we really have this thing for everything that we cannot comprehend. We tend to quantify our lives and emotions and everything in between. We tend to divide our entire lives into a matter of years and seconds, and we feel like we have everything figured out. But we tend to forget to unravel the greatest mystery of all time, ourselves. Hi, I'm Kirti. Welcome back to my channel. And today's video is about loving yourself, part 2. A surprising amount of you guys asked me to make this video, like a second part of this video, and here it is. I really hope you guys like it, and I hope it's beneficial to you. So let's just get right into it. Number 1, take responsibility. Sometimes you'll have to be a little harsh with yourself. किसी को ना कहना, to say no to somebody, it's hard, but उससे भी ज़्यादा मुश्किल है. What's harder is to say no to yourself, to be responsible for your own actions, to hold yourself accountable. In fact, हम इतने लोगों को जज करते हैं, and it's very easy. मेरे लिए यहाँ बैठ के कहना बहुत आसान है कि take responsibility, but I can never step into your shoes. I can never understand your life the way you understand it. And very honestly speaking, I cannot make you love yourself. अगर आपको लगता है कि इस वीडियो को देखने के बाद you're just going to start loving yourself, no, don't fool yourself. I can only tell you how I started loving myself, what my journey has been like. I cannot do that for you, but and also very honestly, I know a lot of people think कि this entire journey of loving yourself, it's very flowery, it's very magical, and it's very beautiful. It's not. Trust me when I say this, it's not. It's awful. It's very difficult to look at your entire life, to analyze your life, and most importantly to realize that so many things that happen in your life were your faults. So many things were the way they were because your perspective was wrong, at least in my case. To know that you have messed up so much in your life, to forgive yourself after knowing all of that, it's very difficult. And you cannot expect yourself to deal with all of that in one go. It takes a lot of time. Maybe it takes 1 week, maybe it takes a year, maybe it takes more than that. So when you step on this journey, just know that it's going to be hard. But at the end of the day, that being said, it's very worth it. Everything is worth it when you start looking at life for what it actually is and for not what you perceive it to be. So remember that आपके life की responsibility ना यार आपके हाथ में, not in anybody else's comments, not in somebody that breaks your heart, and not in what I'm telling you right now. When you work hard for something, take credit for it, own up to your mistakes, accept compliments, be responsible, and remember that it's your life, bro. Just live it for yourself more than anything in the world. Number 2, move off autopilot. So tell me, ऐसा कितनी बार होता है where you take your phone, आप सोचते हो कि I will watch 3 reels, and suddenly it's 5 p.m. Did you feel attacked? That's because you let life lead the way. You let your brain lead the way. Remember that your brain doesn't control you. You control your brain. Here is where mindfulness really comes into play. Because in everything that you do, you need to be present. And I don't mean you need to stay. I really mean you need to be present. आपका किसी भी मोमेंट में होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. एंड याद रखना कि आपके लाइफ गाड़ी की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आपके हाथों में. यू कैन नॉट जस्ट सिट बैक एंड लेट लाइफ टेक द व्हील. इट वुडंट मैटर इफ यू आर गोइंग द राइट वे और नॉट, बिकॉज आप खुद इनिशिएटिव नहीं ले रहे हो टू टेक द राइट टर्न्स, टू लुक एट द साइंस एंड to lead yourself the way you're supposed to. You cannot imagine being a leader if you cannot lead your own damn life. That's the truth, and I can't sugarcoat it for you. You cannot expect to sit and let life do its thing. जब तक आप सोचते हो कि this is the life you deserve, this average mediocre life that you live, आप average की ही गेम में खेलोगे, आप उससे ऊपर बढ़ नहीं पाओगे. रिमेंबर कि यू डिजर्व बेटर एंड योर लाइफ डिजर्व्स टू बी वर्कड अपॉन. व्हेन यू स्टार्ट नोइंग कि मेरा स्टैंडर्ड क्या है, व्हाट आर माई स्टैंडर्ड्स, मैं कैसी लाइफ जीना चाहती हूँ, दैट्स व्हेन यू विल अंडरस्टैंड कि आप क्या स्टेप्स ले सकते हो टू लिव दैट लाइफ. And when you start figuring that out, आप समझ जाओगे कि even the tiniest step, even the first step is the biggest step. Remember कि every habit in the very beginning, it's a choice. Number 3, feel sad sometimes. Did you notice how I said feel sad and not be sad? देखो यार, when we go through life, we are bound to feel sad, annoyed, angry, frustrated, what not. But उस moment में अपने emotions को invalid ठहराना is not fair. It's not fair to ourselves. I don't need to be happy 24/7 to love myself. You can cry, you can bash yourself, you can be angry at yourself, at life, at other people. बट रिमेंबर दैट आप वो इमोशन हो नहीं, आप वो इमोशन बस फील कर रहे हैं एंड दैट इट विल पास. खुद को परमिशन दो टू प्रोसेस योर इमोशंस एंड टेक योर टाइम, बट डोंट आइडेंटिफाई योर सेल्फ विद दैट इमोशन. ऑनेस्टली दिस लिटिल रेवलेशन इट हैज़ हेल्प मी रियलाइज हाउ होपफुल वी रियली आर, बिकॉज in a moment we may feel something, but to remember that we are not just that. We are so much more than beautiful, beautiful beings. That is what true magic really is. And सच ये है कि आप लाइफ को अवॉइड करके कभी खुश रह नहीं सकते. I know my videos are mostly very positive. And trust me, I mean this in the most positive way ever. But life garden नहीं है. Life is not a cakewalk. जब आप लाइफ जीते हो, सच ये है कि किसी ना किसी की लाइफ आपको हमेशा बेटर लगेगी. Even though we say that comparison is the thief of joy, आपको पता है somewhere deep down you are going to compare yourself to somebody else. You're going to compare your life with somebody else. And some people are born more privileged than others. It is the ultimate truth. But याद रखना कि when you face life, when you feel hopeless, when you feel miserable, हिम्मत नहीं हारनी है यार, खुद को नहीं हारने देना. And that is the most important thing in life. I'd like to end today's video with a quote by Joseph Campbell. The privilege of a lifetime is in being who you are. Thank you. I just filmed the entire outro and it was not recording. Hi, Kirti here. I hope you guys liked that video. I know today's video was more on the lines of tough love, internet mom, but that's what I intended it to be because I thought it would help you and I really hope it did. So drop down your thoughts in the comment section below, like my video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for 700 subscribers. I'm very grateful, bro. Like, thank you, and I hope we can have more people over here. So share this video with whoever you think needs to hear it. And I hope you guys are staying at home, staying safe, staying healthy, and please take care of yourself. Yeah. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.